In an era where scientific literacy and active participation in research are increasingly vital, educators are finding innovative ways to engage students through citizen science. This approach not only enhances learning but also fosters a sense of community and shared purpose among students. The NC State College of Education recently released a set of 5 practical tips aimed at classroom teachers interested in incorporating citizen science into their curricula. These guidelines serve as a roadmap for educators eager to harness the power of collective inquiry and real-world data collection. The first recommendation emphasizes the importance of identifying projects that align with students' interests and the local community. By connecting citizen science initiatives to the students' environment, teachers can ignite curiosity and encourage active participation. When students see the relevance of their work to their own lives, they are more likely to engage deeply with the material. Noted an NC State representative. This connection enhances the educational experience, making learning more impactful and memorable. Next, the guide encourages teachers to leverage technology to facilitate data collection and analysis. With the proliferation of smartphones and apps designed for scientific research, students can easily gather data on various topics from local wildlife populations to air quality measurements. Utilizing these tools not only makes the process accessible but also introduces students to the methodologies used by professional scientists. Technology empowers students to be active contributors to scientific knowledge rather than passive recipients, the representative added. Collaborative projects are another vital component of successful citizen science initiatives. The NC State College of Education suggests that teachers foster partnerships with local organizations, universities, or online platforms that specialize in citizen science. Such collaborations can provide students with mentorship opportunities and access to larger datasets, enriching their learning experience. The cooperative aspect also nurtures teamwork and communication skills, essential competencies in today's workforce. In addition to collaboration, teachers are encouraged to integrate reflection into the citizen science process. By prompting students to think critically about their findings, educators can help them understand the broader implications of their work. Reflection transforms data into knowledge and encourages students to consider how their contributions can impact their community or even society as a whole, the representative explained. This deeper engagement with the material not only solidifies learning but also empowers students to become informed advocates for science. Finally, the guide stresses the importance of sharing results with a broader audience. Whether through presentations, social media, or community events, showcasing their work can instill a sense of pride and accomplishment in students. It also helps to bridge the gap between scientific research and public knowledge, illustrating the value of citizen science in addressing real-world issues. As educators increasingly adopt these strategies, the landscape of science education is likely to evolve significantly. By fostering a culture of inquiry and collaboration, teachers can inspire the next generation of scientists and informed citizens. Looking ahead, the growing emphasis on citizen science in classrooms may lead to more informed public discourse on scientific issues as well as a stronger commitment to environmental stewardship and community engagement. The future of education appears bright, with citizen science poised to play a pivotal role in shaping students' understanding of the world around them. As the world of biotechnology continues to evolve at a breathtaking pace, mRNA technology stands at the forefront of medical innovation, heralding a new era in drug delivery and treatment. Recent advancements in this field have not only demonstrated the potential of mRNA-based therapeutics but have also highlighted significant breakthroughs that could reshape the future of medicine. In a groundbreaking development, researchers have successfully delivered mRNA-based drugs directly to the intestine without the need to pass through the liver, a significant hurdle that has long impeded the efficacy of oral mRNA therapies. This method, which utilizes a novel delivery system, promises to enhance the bioavailability of mRNA drugs, potentially transforming how conditions such as gastrointestinal diseases are treated. According to a study published in phys.org, this innovative approach could lead to more effective and patient-friendly treatment options. The study's lead author noted the ability to bypass the liver not only improves the absorption of mRNA therapeutics but also minimizes the risk of systemic side effects. Furthermore, the growing interest in mRNA technologies is evident in the financial sector, with companies like Moderna set to report their fourth quarter and annual financial results on February 14, 2025. Investors and industry analysts are keen to assess how Moderna's expanding portfolio of mRNA-based treatments initially focused on COVID-19 vaccines is transitioning into broader therapeutic applications. Market experts anticipate that the report will shed light on Moderna's strategies to leverage its mRNA platform for conditions ranging from infectious diseases to cancer. In a related move, Maravai LifeSciences has recently acquired assets and intellectual property from Molecular Assemblies, indicating a strong commitment to advancing the mRNA landscape. This acquisition is expected to bolster Maravai's capabilities in producing high-quality mRNA, which is essential for both clinical and commercial applications. As Maravai's CEO stated, integrating Molecular Assemblies technology will enhance our position in the mRNA market, allowing us to deliver innovative solutions to our clients and contribute to the development of next-generation therapeutics. Together, these developments underscore a burgeoning trend where mRNA technologies are not just limited to vaccines but are branching out into a variety of therapeutic avenues. As the industry evolves, experts predict that we will see more tailored therapies designed to address specific diseases, potentially leading to more personalized medicine approaches. Looking ahead, the implications of these advancements are profound. As researchers continue to refine mRNA delivery methods and companies invest in expanding their mRNA portfolios, the potential for mRNA-based treatments could revolutionize how we approach disease management. The next few years are poised to witness significant breakthroughs, making it an exciting time for the biotechnology sector and the patients who stand to benefit from these innovations. The ongoing dialogue surrounding mRNA technology reflects not only its potential but also the ethical and logistical challenges that must be navigated as this promising field continues to mature. In the ever-evolving landscape of oncology, where the convergence of art and science plays a pivotal role in patient care, a recent exploration from MD Anderson Cancer Center highlights the unique approaches taken by gynecologic oncologists. These specialists are not only medical professionals but also artists in their own right, employing creativity alongside clinical expertise to navigate the complexities of cancer treatment. Dr. David L. Smith, a leading gynecologic oncologist at MD Anderson, emphasizes this duality in his practice, stating every patient is a unique canvas. Understanding their individual needs and circumstances allows us to tailor the treatment approach, much like an artist adjusting their technique to suit the specific medium. This perspective illustrates how oncologists are increasingly recognizing the importance of personalized medicine, which considers the genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors that influence a patient's cancer journey. The integration of artistic sensibility into medical practice is not merely philosophical, it has tangible implications for patient outcomes. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Oncology found that personalized treatment plans significantly improve survival rates and quality of life for patients with ovarian cancer. Such findings underscore the necessity for oncologists to think beyond standard protocols and to embrace innovative strategies that can lead to more effective interventions. Parallel to these developments, researchers are investigating groundbreaking therapies that could revolutionize cancer treatment. One promising avenue involves repurposing a drug traditionally used for heart failure to tackle a particularly aggressive form of ovarian cancer. The study, which is currently underway, aims to understand whether this heart medication can effectively inhibit tumor growth. The potential success of this research could offer new hope to patients grappling with this lethal disease. In another significant advancement, researchers in China are making headlines with their work on a breast cancer vaccine that aims to enhance the immune response against tumors. As reported by the South China Morning Post, early trials have shown promising results, suggesting that this vaccine may one day provide a preventive measure against breast cancer. Such innovations are crucial in the fight against cancer, a disease that continues to challenge the medical community with its complexity and variability. These advancements, coupled with the innovative approaches of oncologists like Dr. Smith, reflect a broader trend in cancer treatment that prioritizes personalized patient-centric care. As the medical community continues to explore the intersection of art and science, the hope is that this synergy will lead to even more breakthroughs in cancer therapy. Looking ahead, the future of oncology appears to be one of collaboration and creativity, where the lines between disciplines blur and the focus remains firmly on the patient. With ongoing research and the dedication of healthcare professionals, there is cautious optimism that these combined efforts will yield effective treatments and ultimately save lives in the ongoing battle against cancer. In an era where technology continually reshapes our understanding of life sciences, virtual science AI has made a significant stride by unveiling a real-time intelligent Q&A feature designed to enhance insights in this critical field. Announced on January 29, 2025, this innovative tool aims to provide immediate answers in data analysis, catering to researchers, educators, and practitioners alike. The real-time Q&A feature leverages advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to process vast amounts of life science data, allowing users to pose inquiries related to a wide range of topics from molecular biology to ecological studies. According to a spokesperson from Virtual Science AI, our goal is to democratize access to scientific knowledge. By enabling real-time interaction with complex datasets, we empower users to explore and understand life sciences more effectively. This development arrives at a crucial moment when the demand for rapid and precise information in the life sciences sector has never been higher. As researchers grapple with the ever-increasing volume of data generated by studies and experiments, the ability to obtain instant answers could significantly accelerate the pace of discovery. Furthermore, the Q&A feature can serve as a valuable educational tool, helping students and professionals alike to better grasp intricate concepts and foster a deeper understanding of biological systems. The implications of such technology extend beyond mere convenience. Studies have shown that timely access to information can enhance decision-making processes in research and clinical settings. In an environment where every second counts, having immediate access to accurate data can make a difference in patient outcomes and research breakthroughs, noted Dr. Linda Farrow, a prominent biologist, during a recent conference. However, while the prospects of this AI-driven feature are promising, it does raise questions about the reliability and ethical considerations of AI in scientific research. Experts argue that the algorithms must be rigorously vetted to prevent the dissemination of misinformation. As Dr. Mark Lin, a data ethics researcher, cautioned, "We must ensure that AI systems are transparent and accountable. The potential for misuse of information is a concern that cannot be overlooked." As Virtual Science AI rolls out this feature, it signals a broader trend in which artificial intelligence is increasingly integrated into scientific research and education. The ongoing evolution of human-robot interaction and generative AI technologies is likely to further transform how scientists and educators engage with information. Looking ahead, the life sciences community will be closely monitoring the impact of this innovative Q&A feature. As researchers begin to utilize this tool, the potential for faster discoveries and improved educational outcomes could lead to significant advancements in our understanding of life itself. The future of life sciences intertwined with artificial intelligence promises to be as enlightening as it is transformative. As the world grapples with energy crises and climate change, the quest for sustainable energy solutions has never been more urgent. The potential of nuclear fusion, a process that powers the sun and offers the promise of nearly limitless energy, has ignited a flurry of research and investment. Recent developments suggest that advancements in artificial intelligence AI could play a pivotal role in overcoming the significant challenges that have long hindered the practical implementation of fusion energy. Harnessing AI's capabilities may revolutionize the way researchers approach fusion, particularly in optimizing reactor designs and improving plasma stability. According to experts, AI can analyze vast datasets generated from fusion experiments, pinpoint inefficiencies, and recommend adjustments in real time. AI's ability to process and interpret complex datasets far exceeds traditional computational methods, noted Dr. Emily Zhao, a leading researcher in fusion technology. This could shorten the timeline for achieving sustainable fusion by identifying optimal configurations that we might not discover through trial and error alone. Countries around the globe are racing to achieve breakthroughs in fusion technology. China has made headlines with its ambitious initiatives, including the construction of its own experimental reactor dubbed the artificial sun. This facility aims to replicate the fusion process and has already reported promising results. As Jason Deegan highlighted in a recent article, the success of such projects could significantly impact global energy markets, potentially positioning China at the forefront of the energy transition. Meanwhile, in the United States, private ventures are also making strides in fusion development. Sam Altman's startup Helion has attracted attention for its innovative approaches and substantial financial backing amounting to $5.4 billion. However, its ambitious claims have led to skepticism within the scientific community, with some experts questioning the feasibility of its proposed timelines and technologies. While Helion's approach is intriguing, it remains to be seen whether it can deliver on its promises of commercial fusion energy within the next decade, remarked Dr. Marcus Lee, an industry analyst. The integration of AI with fusion research not only holds the promise of accelerating technological advancements but also enhances safety measures. AI systems can be employed to monitor reactor conditions continuously, providing real-time alerts for anomalies that could lead to dangerous situations. This proactive approach to safety aligns with the industry's goal of ensuring that fusion energy can be harnessed without the risks associated with traditional nuclear power. As fusion technology progresses, the implications for the global energy landscape could be profound. Successful deployment of fusion energy could lead to a dramatic reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, alleviating the impacts of climate change. Furthermore, with the potential for abundant energy production, nations could reduce their reliance on fossil fuels, paving the way for a more sustainable future. Looking ahead, the fusion community remains cautiously optimistic. The intersection of AI and fusion research is poised to catalyze breakthroughs that could redefine energy generation. As investments continue and collaborative efforts expand, the dream of practical nuclear fusion may be closer to realization than ever before. The coming years will be critical in determining whether these technological advancements can translate into a reliable energy source that powers the world sustainably and efficiently. In a significant advancement in the field of superconductivity, recent research has identified a fundamental constraint on the transition temperature Tc for unconventional superconductors. Published on January 29, 2025 in the journal NPJ Quantum Materials, this study sheds light on the elusive nature of superconductivity, particularly in materials that do not conform to conventional theories. Superconductivity, a phenomenon where materials exhibit zero electrical resistance, has historically been understood through classical theories that primarily address conventional superconductors. However, the discovery of unconventional superconductors, materials that exhibit superconducting properties at relatively high temperatures, has challenged existing paradigms. The latest research indicates that these materials may possess intrinsic limitations that govern their maximum transition temperatures. Dr. Emily Chen, one of the lead researchers on the project, stated, "Our findings suggest that there is an inherent constraint on Tc that arises from the electronic structure of unconventional superconductors. This constraint may redefine our understanding of how to design new materials for higher temperature superconductivity." The study utilized advanced computational methods to analyze the electronic properties of various unconventional superconductors, highlighting the significance of valence electrons in determining Tc. The implications of this research are profound. By identifying the factors that limit Tc, scientists may be able to develop new materials that surpass these constraints. This could potentially lead to the creation of superconductors that operate at room temperature, a long-sought goal in the scientific community. Such a breakthrough would revolutionize numerous industries from energy transmission to quantum computing, enabling lossless power lines and significantly more efficient electronic devices. In a related area of research, the potential of transition metal dichalcogenides (TMDs) has also garnered attention. These materials have been identified as promising candidates for applications in both superconductivity and energy storage, such as supercapacitors. A recent article from Hackaday highlights the multifunctional properties of TMDs, which could enable new types of electronic devices that leverage their superconducting and capacitive characteristics simultaneously. Moreover, studies exploring the role of valence electrons in the magnetism of molecular crystals further illustrate the intricate relationship between electronic structure and material properties. As researchers delve deeper into the electronic behaviors of these materials, a clearer picture is emerging of how different elements contribute to their magnetic and superconducting properties. The ongoing exploration of two-dimensional electron gases, 2DEGs, is another avenue of research that holds promise. These systems, characterized by their unique electronic properties, are being investigated for their potential applications in advanced electronic devices. Understanding the interactions within 2DEGs could provide insights that further enhance the performance of superconductors and other electronic materials. As the scientific community continues to unravel the complexities of unconventional superconductivity and related fields, the prospects for new materials and technologies seem increasingly optimistic. The findings from the NPJ quantum materials study not only expand our theoretical understanding but also pave the way for practical advancements that could redefine our approach to energy and electronics in the near future. Looking ahead, the challenge remains to leverage these insights into tangible innovations that can benefit society at large.